Alright, YouTube world. Here we go. Having a look at some color pigeons. That's what we're doing. Just having a look at some color pigeons. Beautiful grizzle over there. And its baby. That's the young one of that grizzle. Another grizzle over there. That's a beautiful young one. Other grizzle over there. Pure white. This little pied baby. It's from my tiger grizzle project. And I do have another little baby, which is my little tiger grizzle. Ooh. That one should mold into a beautiful tiger. Yeah. So, showing you the mother of that babies will be that end. That will be the mother of the, and that's the father. Yeah, that's the tiger grizzle project going on over there. It's doing well. Some birds in the mold not looking too nice at the moment. Same there. A beautiful yellow check. And a big red over there. Another color pair going on over here. Putting that beautiful black and white cock to this black hen. Actually trying to breed that color, so hoping all goes well. They should pair up in the next couple of days. But yeah, color breeding is going on. They are doing good. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.